Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap your USDT to TON on Binance. Alright, so to do this, head to the wallet section at the bottom right, scroll from the spot to the funding depending on where your USDT tokens are stored. So once you found your USDT tokens, head back home, click on the convert icon you find here, and on the convert menu where we have converting from USDT to a token, click on the token drop down and use the search to search for TON, which stands for TON, and then simply click on the TON token. So click on TON coin and then enter an amount of USDT you'd like to convert, and you'd find the amount of USDT you can receive for this token. And all you need to do now is simply click on trade. And all you need to do now is click on confirm your order, and you'd convert from 100 USDT to 18.89 TON. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.